I'm using the bathroom mirror because, well, I got this new little camera, checking it out, see what kind of footage I'm going to get out of it. And hopefully I'll be using this when I go on the little mini bike rides, fishing, fly fishing, gold panning, or whatever. Anyhow, just checking it out. Alright, she's all done. Let's open that up and take her out and see what we got. Oh, listen to that. Is that a beautiful omelet? Oh boy. Can't wait to get that on the plate and try it out. Let's see. I'm gonna need a fork. That's for sure. Let's get the plate out. My favorite red plate. And a spatula. This thing's probably hot, but you know me. I'm daring. Boy, she looks like she's ready. That's 12 minutes air fry. Of course, again, I'm like probably about 3,000 feet here. It's a little bit warm today. Not too bad though. And go like this. Of course, you got a little bit of coconut oil. Pour it on top. Throw that over there. Throw this over there. One thing I got to get, a little bit of hot sauce, which, of course, some ketchup. Hot sauce. It's for wings, but anyhow, it'll do the trick because don't have anything else. I'll put a little of that on top. Just build it with whatever you have, you know. And of course, some people say you ruin it, but I don't think so. Little ketchup don't hurt nothing. There it is. What do you think about that omelet? Oh, yeah. Cashew bologna omelet. Let's give it a taste and see what we got here. Looks good. Smells good. Well, I'd say it's another winner. Some people might not like it, but I like it. Came out good. Got those cashews in there. Look at that cashew right there. Excellent. There's something you can try. Those crunchy little onion ring things are good. All right. There you have it. Another spin on cooking with Cobb's. Thanks everybody for watching the video and tuning in, and subscribe for more videos because I'm going to be making a lot more videos because I got this cool little camera now. And well, anyhow, I guess I'm going to sign off. This is Cobby Badger out. Until next time, and God bless, and tune in again. Make sure you subscribe. We'll catch you guys later. God bless. Cobby out.